Christ, in the book of Revelation, returned, and this was devastating to the wicked and also to God's soulmates. There was weeping and gnashing of teeth, and that's still happening today. Christ would stand at the door and knock. And when Christ was knocking, there was hardly anyone that would open, meaning Christ's soulmates, because they stole Christ's houses that Christ was preparing since childhood to adulthood for them for eternity with Christ as the true and living God. But because they murdered and raped Christ and believed a lie, they ended up in the housings that Christ had for them, but they included demons, devils, and demonic people. This is extremely wicked. And Christ was left in a homeless situation. So the women, soulmates of God, have to literally hate the demons, devils, and demonic people to get rid of them in those housing environments in order for Christ to dwell with them and for them to have eternal life with God, heaven everlasting. But if they do not stop cohabitating and do not hate what God hates and continue to believe the lie about that kind of lifestyle, they will be condemned with the wicked.